got her tongue in her cheek.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh.
Take that ball.
Keep rolling away from her. We're not laughing at you. Oh, good girl. Yeah, good girl. You can get that ball.
You gonna get the ball?
Yeah, you can put it in there, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. They both fit in there.
Which goes in first? The baby or the ball?
Well,
She likes her to sit in a certain way.
Yeah.
Have you got it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, keep coming. Keep coming. You're doing great. Keep coming.
She doesn't want to go there. She doesn't want to go there.
No.
Oh.
Where you go?
Okay, where are you going to go?
You going?
Where are you going? Taking it
I'm going to take it to my toy box.
Toy box. She's so awesome.
Whoa!